Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Storm Hyroad is probably one of the most versatile and exciting products on the market right now, offering a unique blend of performance and accessibility that's hard to beat for anyone looking to elevate their experience. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just dipping your toes into this incredible world, the Hyroad promises to deliver an unforgettable journey, packed with innovation and designed to impress with its cutting-edge features and user-friendly interface, making it a standout choice for discerning consumers. Number 5. Storm Hyroad Max 15 pounds Bowling Ball. Introducing the Storm Hyroad Max. This 15 pounds bowling ball is engineered for maximum performance on the lanes. Its next solid cover stock provides a strong and reliable grip, ensuring consistent ball motion. The inverted Phase 2 technology core delivers a powerful and predictable reaction, helping you hit your target every time. Experience the refreshing scent of green apple as you dominate the game. It adds a pleasant touch to your bowling experience. The striking emerald lime color scheme makes a statement on the approach. It's as visually appealing as it is effective. This ball is designed for bowlers seeking superior control and power. Get ready to elevate your game with this exceptional piece of equipment. What we like. This ball features a solid cover stock for strong mid-lane read. Its unique core provides excellent control and a smooth breakpoint. If you are looking for a reliable option for medium to heavy oil conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. Midway through the second time out with this ball, something just absolutely clicked. I think the track got settled in and this ball started absolutely ripping through the pocket. The pin action was pure insanity. I had messengers coming from all directions when it wasn't an absolute 10-back smash. The smell is about the strongest I've experienced, and it's probably my favorite fragrances out of any other storm balls. It smells exactly like green apple Jolly Rancher. Great bowling ball, hooks with great down lane motion, very stable continuous movement. Great for medium to heavy oiled lanes. Great tournament bowling ball which allows you to find a snap on fresher oil shots. Number 4. Storm Hyroad Pearl 15 pounds. The cover stock is the most crucial element determining how a ball reacts on the lane. It's the first point of contact and dictates the initial hook. Try the new Hyroad Pearl just once, and you'll immediately notice a significant improvement in its performance. It offers a distinct and superior ball motion. This eye-catching ball features a vibrant blue and purple color combination. It looks as good as it performs on the lanes. At its heart lies the innovative inverted Phase Superscript 2 technology. This advanced core is engineered to provide exceptional power and control. With its superior cover stock and powerful core, this ball is designed to help you achieve your best performance. Get ready to see a new level of motion. What we like. Experience a noticeable difference with its pearl cover stock, offering enhanced back-end reaction. The inverted Phase Superscript 2 technology ensures a predictable motion. If you prefer a ball that easily gets down the lane and provides a sharp turn, this one is for you. What people say. The Storm Hyroad is a great ball for bowlers who want a strong backhand reaction. It has a pearl cover stock that provides a lot of length and a sharp break on the back end. This ball is very versatile and can be used on a variety of oil conditions. Number 3. Storm Hyroad Bowling Ball. Introducing the Storm Hyroad. Experience unparalleled performance on the lanes with its advanced design. It features the R2S solid reactive cover stock, engineered for maximum hook and control. The inverted Phase Superscript 2 technology core provides a powerful and consistent reaction, helping you strike more often. With a 1500 grit polished finish, it glides through the front part of the lane and explodes at the pins. This 15-pound ball is designed for serious bowlers looking to elevate their game. Get ready to dominate. What we like. This option boasts a proven R2S solid cover stock for consistent traction. Its core is engineered for a strong, continuous arc. If you need a dependable ball for a variety of lane conditions and enjoy a predictable reaction, consider this. What people say. The Storm Hyroad is a great ball for the price. It has a great backhand reaction. This ball is very versatile and can be used on many oil conditions. The Hyroad is a must-have for any serious bowler. Number 2. Storm Hyroad Pearl Bowling Ball. Introducing the Storm Hyroad Pearl. Engineered for bowlers who demand exceptional performance on the lanes. Its R2S Pearl reactive cover stock provides a strong and consistent reaction, helping you hit your targets with precision. Featuring the inverted FE2 technology weight block, it delivers a predictable and powerful motion through the pins. Finished with a 1500 grit polish, this ball glides effortlessly down the lane, creating the angle you need for maximum impact. Experience the difference that superior engineering makes. Elevate your game with this outstanding bowling ball. What we like. The R2S Pearl cover stock delivers a lively response and increased length. Combined with the inverted FE2 technology, it offers a dynamic backhand motion. If you are a player who likes to see the ball flare and change direction quickly down lane, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The Storm Hyroad is a great ball for the price, it has a good hook and is very controllable. I love the Storm Hyroad, it's the best ball I've ever thrown. It's so easy to control and it hooks a lot. The Storm Hyroad is a very versatile ball that can be used on a variety of oil conditions. It's a great choice for bowlers of all skill levels. Number 1. Storm Hyroad 16 pounds bowling ball. Introducing the Storm Hyroad, a 16-pound bowling ball designed for serious players. Experience unparalleled control and power on the lanes. This ball features a cutting-edge cover stock and core technology. It's built to deliver consistent performance, strike after strike. Join the ranks of champions who trust the Hyroad for their game. Its predictable reaction makes it a favorite for all skill levels. With its 16-pound weight, it offers the perfect blend of power and control. Take your game to the next level and leave the competition behind. Feel the difference that quality engineering makes. The Storm Hyroad is more than just a ball, it's an extension of your skill. What we like. This is the heaviest option in the series, providing maximum pin action. Its weight offers significant force through the pins. If you are a power player or need extra weight to combat challenging conditions, this 16-pounder is worth considering. What people say. The Storm Hyroad is a great ball for the price. This ball has a very strong backhand reaction. The Storm Hyroad is very versatile and can be used on many different oil conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.